Most people get this wrong when trying to get Peacock for free with Verizon. They assume it is automatically active on their account, or included in every plan. But here's the truth no one tells you. The Peacock perk only works on eligible Verizon plans, and you have to activate it correctly, or you will miss it completely. In this video, you will learn how to get Peacock free with Verizon in 2026, how to check if you qualify, and how to activate it step by step without missing anything. Let's get right into it. First, understand how this offer works. When Alex signs up for a qualifying Verizon plan, Peacock Premium may be included as a promotional perk, but it does not automatically turn on in most cases. You need to manually activate it through your Verizon account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users think the offer is expired or not available, when in reality, they just never activated it inside their Verizon dashboard. But here's the problem most people face. They look inside the Peacock app first instead of going through Verizon. That is the wrong place to start, and it leads to confusion. So step 1 is simple. Open the Verizon app or log into your Verizon account on a browser. Make sure you are using the main account holder login because perks are controlled there. Once inside, go to the Account or Plans and Services section. Look for Add-ons or Included Perks. If your plan is eligible, you will see Peacock Premium listed there. Tap on it and follow the activation process. Verizon will usually redirect you to Peacock to finish setup. If John already has a Peacock account, he can link it. If not, he will create a new one. Now in a minute, I'll show you the most important mistake that cancels this benefit without people realizing it. And this is where most users lose free access. Make sure your Verizon plan actually supports the offer. Not all plans include Peacock. Some older or basic plans do not qualify, so always double-check your plan details. Also, confirm that you are not already subscribed directly through Peacock. If you are paying separately, you may need to cancel that subscription first to avoid double billing or activation conflicts. Another key tip is to watch for expiration dates. Some Verizon Peacock offers are limited-time promotions. If you switch plans or downgrade, you may lose access without warning. So to wrap it up, getting Peacock free with Verizon in 2026 is all about checking eligibility, activating it inside your Verizon account, and linking it properly to your Peacock profile. If this video helped you unlock your Peacock benefit, like the video, leave a comment with your plan type, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you save money and get the most out of your subscriptions.